Let's take a look at the chart action for Litecoin. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance right here, resistance right here. I'm looking at this downtrend going something like this. Right now, it looks like we broke out of this downtrend going to the upside. The other thing I'm kind of looking at is we have resistance right here, and resistance right here. Let's do a trend line, maybe something like this. I know we broke above it right here, but there's a lot of resistance in this area right here pretty much. I think it's like a resistance zone in my opinion. And I think if we could break out of this resistance zone pretty much at this level right here, then the next area we'd be targeting is this resistance area at around 232. We're on the daily time frame right now, and it does look like we're breaking through right now. Let's see if we get some volume to come in and keep this momentum going to the upside. I just saw that it was breaking this trend line right here, and I thought it might be a good time to talk about Litecoin. If you guys like Dogecoin, check out this video here. I just made a video and it looks like it might be breaking to the upside as well. Alright, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.